Yo, what's good? It's your boy DoorDash Tips back at it with another side hustle video. Today it's gonna be Walmart Spark, and you have to watch all the way to the end to see how much of our money I can make today, huh? So first trip up, we got like $23. One order, customer tip 9, Walmart pays 14. I'll do the screenshot over here. Then at the end, we'll show you how much money I made today from Walmart Spark. As you guys have known, gig work is unpredictable. If you try to set a daily goal of like $200 and for some reason you're short of your goal, that's where Ivy Car comes in, fam. I will put the screen recording on the corner. Ivy Car has upgraded their sign-up process. It takes about 10 minutes. No fees, no credit check. First 1,000 people for the first 1,000 people. The only qualification is you gotta be a gig worker. Sign-up process is super quick and easy, 10 minutes. Link in the video description, fam. You can add the Ivy card to your Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. You can use it to pump gas or other expenses. You know, I use it to buy snacks, Red Bull, pump gas, or whatever when I use Ivy card. Yeah, link in the video description. Sign up process is super quick and easy, fam. Thank you, Ivy Car, for sponsoring this video. All right, fam, it is 8:38 a.m. and we got a second order. 2 delivery. Customer may add tip later, but you know, let's hope they do. But if they don't, it's still okay. We have that $20 per trip bonus. So I've done Spark for a while, and some of them do add the tip afterwards, but most of them do not. So main reason I'm taking this, $20 per trip bonus. Let's go, fam. All right, fam. I'm back at Walmart. This one's in Inglewood. The first one was in Lakewood. 2 orders, and customer may add tip after, so we'll see how it goes. Second delivery today, fam. Put the eggs separate. Always put the eggs separate. All right, so the last one requires signature, so make sure the customer sign it. Do not forge the signature, fam. You're gonna get deactivated. So if it requires signature, make sure they're home and they sign it. If they're not home, just take it all back to Walmart, you know. Don't forge the signature. Now we're on to the second delivery. Let's go. All right, fam. Downtown Denver. Parking is a pain in the ass downtown Denver. I have to park 1 block away, kind of illegally, but we'll figure it out. Let's hope we don't get a parking ticket. That would be minus $70. Oh yeah, bust that, bozo. All right, let's unload it. You know what it is. Yes, sir. All right. Let's hope we don't get a parking ticket, huh? Only been away for...
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Welton Street.
All right. For Home Depot, just check into the online order kiosk. Tell them the customer's names, and they'll hand it to you. Take it to the car and go deliver it. I got home. All right, fam, it is 8 p.m. and we got a Home Depot delivery for a construction company, so I doubt they're gonna be there by the time I take it, but since we got the bonus, I'm gonna take it anyways, you know. It is 8 p.m. fam. All right. It's like 9 p.m. There's a lot of challenges to the Walmart Spark app. It's not very user friendly, you know. Like for example, if you have 2 orders and Walmart doesn't have one of them, you have to call support to let them unassign it for you. And for example, when you make a delivery and the customer is not home or whatever, you have to take it back to the store and you have to call support to tell them to unassign it for you. The only way to do it is to call them. You can't chat with them or email them. So yeah, the Walmart Spark app needs a lot of work, fam. It is the least user-friendly app out of all the gig apps, in my opinion. So I just arrived at the Walmart Spark and doing the final order for today. So today I think I got 6 in. I did go home and take a 4-hour nap. Yeah, I didn't sleep much last night. I took like a 3 or 4 hour nap. So we have to go back out there for the 15 trips tomorrow. Yeah. All right, fam. So we got some sodas. And let's see what we got in the back. Some milk, nothing too crazy. Hopefully these sodas are not going to a 3rd floor apartment. Alright, so this is the 5th one today, and we have to go back out there tomorrow to get the 15 trips. Yeah, I took a super long nap today, but that's the benefits to working gig, you know. You can take a 10-minute nap or you can take a 4-hour nap. All right, let's get back on the road, fam. All right. No elevator, so I have to abandon my wagon and walk it up. It's not too bad. All right, fam. Day 2 of Walmart Spark challenge. I wouldn't say it's a challenge. Walmart Spark banger. It is 7:53 a.m. First one for today. All right, let's wait for them to load up and go deliver some Walmart, fam. All right. So I have to wait like 15 minutes for the first order today. This Walmart is short-staffed, so you know, what do you expect from Walmart, right? They're always short-staffed. So, but this one is way behind. Yeah, I waited here 15 minutes, but now we got our 2 orders. On the app, it says extra large. I guess maybe this thing, it fits in my car, you know. It's like a extra large bin for storage. All right, we got the 2 orders. Let's go. All right. Got our 2nd order today. I believe it's like a 20 for 5 miles or something like that. You know, I'll try to put a screenshot over here. 2nd order today. This is the Inglewood Walmart. This is my favorite Walmart. Yeah, actually. People tip pretty well in this area. All right, this Walmart's a lot faster. They're tag teaming. If I jump in, it would be, you know, it was just one person, I'll help them load, but they're doing a double team. So got some more in the trunk. Nothing too heavy. Let's go. You ready for this? Check this out, fam. Hopefully I won't drop anything. We need 4-wheel drive, fam. We need a Range Rover, fam. Oh. Yes, sir. Going down is the easy part. G-Wagon. All right, let's hope and pray that we have elevators at this one, huh? Looks like they got 4 floors, so yeah, they're gonna have elevators. Gotta take my G-Wagon to the elevator, baby. Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. Well, on the 3rd floor. I don't know, man, good Red Bull today. Even though I only slept like 2 hours. Some good Red Bull, fam. All right. Last order, gentleman was in a wheelchair, so I helped him. Well, I didn't load it to the fridge, but I brought it inside the door. And Next order, we have a one order at Sam's Club. So for these type of bonus, one order is the best, fam. You want like, the best scenario is 15 one order trips, but a lot of times it's two orders in one trip. Do not do .com orders. It's not worth it. It might take you 3 hours for .com. Yeah. .com, that's a no-go. Do not do .com for Walmart Spark, fam. All right, let's go inside and pick it up and go deliver. All right, we got our stuff. It's like a 15-minute wait, but you know, it's all good. There was one Karen that had an issue with the lady at Home Depot. She couldn't take it, started cussing and walked out, but I didn't get that on footage. No. There's Karens everywhere nowadays, so you know, it's nothing new. But we got our 2x4. Let's go. All right, fam, first order of day 3 at Home Depot. I think they got like some moving boxes. Let's help the customers home, man. I'm moving back to Dayton, Ohio. Psych. I'm delivering moving boxes today. Well, something new today, fam. We're delivering TV boxes and moving boxes for Walmart Spark, for Home Depot. Let's help the customers home, man. I got like 3 deliveries where they require a signature and the customer's not home. Very frustrating. Good news. Signature not required, but gonna do like 2 or 3 trips for this. All right, fam. We have another Home Depot order. Just one order. 12 miles. It's my favorite. One order delivery. Let's go. All right, after dropping off that one, we have a Sam's Club batch order. Just one order, 1 mile. I think we're gonna get this bonus today, fam. Let's go. Sam's Club, baby. Yes, sir. That's some A1. Coke. Yes, sir. Right. One more load up and we're done for this order. Pineapple juice. Looks like he's a bar owner. All right, this order is gonna get us the $300 bonus, fam. $300 bonus. Thank you, Walmart. Let's go. All right, fam, just to be sure, I'm doing the 16 order. Make sure I get that $300. I believe this is the 16 order. Just one item, one order. Let's go. All right, fam, just finished dropping off the 16 order. I think we made over 600 in roughly 11-12 hours. All right, let's go get some meat and we'll be back on the road. See you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, so this is the 17 order for this bonus with 2 over the 15 trip bonus. This is 2 order batch curbside pickup. All right, let's go. All right, it is 9:08 p.m. It's gonna be our last order tonight, or for this 15 trip bonus. The order's in the trunk, 1 mile away. Let's go. All right, fam. So finally, all the Walmart Spark earnings have come through, and so I made $415 in about 12 hours. That comes out to be roughly $35 per hour. So with this missed you bonus, is just if you make less than 300 doing 15 trips, then Walmart will pay you 300. You don't get the additional 300 like before, you know. At first, I thought it was like, 400 plus another 300. That would be 700 in 12 hours. But unfortunately, I made 415, so that's $100 more than the $300 Miss You bonus. So, but even with that, it's still pretty good. $35 per hour, $415 in 12 hours with Walmart Spark. Pretty good earnings, fam.